Hello everybody, this is my oral presentation. First of all, I will talk a little about my life. After that, I'm going to talk about my trip experience in Cartagena. Then I'm going to talk about the weather in Cartagena. And to finish, I'm going to give you recommendations if you travel to Cartagena. Well, my name is Marcela Colorado. I was born in Cali, but I live in Bogota. I am 27 years old. I have a 1-year-old daughter. Her name is Emilia. I live with my husband and my daughter in Bogota in Villaluz. I like to sing, dance, and play with my daughter. I am currently looking for a job. Tips go to Cartagena. My last vacations went to Cartagena. I stayed there 1 week and went with my husband. I liked it because this was cheap. I just paid the tickets because we stayed at my friend's house. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the beach, went to beautiful islands, and I liked it a lot. I came back on Friday to rest the weekend and return to work on Monday. The weather in Cartagena is warm. Every day is sunny and night is usually cool by the sea breezy. Recommendations. It is necessary that you walk through the old city. It is important that you visit the castle of San Felipe. It is recommended that you eat one day at the Baru Island. It is important that you eat in the restaurants of the walled city. It is recommended in San Diego Plaza. It is recommended that you drive in the corners of the History Center. It is important that you take a bike ride through the streets of the city center. It is important that you take pictures of the beautiful houses. You should travel in low season so that the hotel and the tickets go out cheap. You should not throw garbage, and you should not consume alcoholic drinks on the beach. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.